everyone, my name is Kevin and I am a wedding planner in Harare, Zimbabwe, and I'll be your host for today. Today we're setting up for a wedding that's at the Miko's Hotel. They've got 170 guests. We're just getting ourselves organized and it's the morning of the wedding now. At the front, so start with those tables that are over there in the front and then put the other ones on the other table. Apple. Right, okay, because is he supposed to go to the other side as well? Right, okay. Make sure that they fold the napkins and the charger plates. Okay, so see you in a few minutes. So someone asked me if every wedding client has their own file, and the answer is yes. So we compile like a whole list of the service providers working at the wedding. So the file includes everything in terms of the planning, payments, contracts, addresses, and contact details for each service provider. It also has detailed timelines and schedules. So like if the cake baker is supposed to arrive at 11 a.m, that will be also noted. What time the band is arriving, what time the bride is walking. Okay, so I'll give you the room numbers and then you can go and check on them. Is that okay? Okay, see you now.
Which one?
Which one is the DJ table?
The DJ table is the one on the right hand side when you get into the reception area. Why are you ignoring me?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, thanks.
Good. Are you guys busy today? Besides the wedding?
Guys, no. Besides that, no.
Pull the carpet from that side. No, start from there and pull it back. Sorry? So the bride and groom are going to come down and do some shots at the pool deck. The pool deck is absolutely beautiful, very nice. Okay, how much more time for the last bridesmaid on the makeup? Are we done? Okay, then we do the pre-shots. So we'll do them again.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, all right, bye.
Bye.
What? Guys, that's Geeta. She's the banqueting coordinator for Mikkels. Oh my god, it's almost fell. I'm going to wait in there, and then we're beginning the procession in a few minutes. So you guys can just go and stay put in there. Don't mingle too much with guests. Sorry. And then we'll do that afterwards. You look gorgeous. Okay, so remember where you're going to stand? Right? Yeah. With Dad, and then I'll come and get you from there.
Okay.
Guys, as soon as they go down, you guys go. We are sitting on the left hand side, okay? Cool. Kick it if you feel like it's going to trip on you, okay? Right, Dad, remember how your hand is going to be? But that's after we get to the door, okay?
Girl, and I know that Tafazwa is very happy today. It's like in heaven, man. Wow. Together, it's a sign of sharing, that now you're going to be living a life of sharing. There are different...
Chef.
That's perfect. Come forward a bit more. Come forward. And then a little bit across. Just a touch. Perfect. Let's see how we're getting on this. Gentle in the center. Just come across a touch. No, just go a little. No, just, no, you're perfect. Come a little bit across. Sorry, guys. Oh, that's gorgeous.
What are you doing?
We're about to go dance.
Okay.
Show some steps.
It's not ready.
Everybody needs to hook up Kevin because he is the best wedding planner in the game. Hey Kevin, that's the bride. Hey, there's Kevin.
A trainee? No? You are? Okay. How are you doing? Good. Oh, and I went to school with this lady, guys.
Oh my god.
So the wedding's going pretty well. We have 30 more minutes to go, and then we close down the actual program. And so after the program is done, the guests are free to kind of just dance, drink, and do whatever they want. But like, my job is done for the day, so I can leave. But obviously what I need to make sure of is that gifts are packed away in a safe place, and the cash is all recorded, cash that came as gifts, and all that stuff.
Three, two, one, go!
Oops. Oh my god, you already downloaded that?
No, let me take a picture that I want to.
Hi guys, I'm on my way home and the wedding's pretty much over. So I'm just gonna answer some of the questions that I got throughout the day. So someone asked me what the average cost is to have a wedding in Zim. And that is a very difficult question. I mean, how we do it is we sit down with the client, and then they tell us that they want to spend a certain figure for their wedding, and then so with that, so after that we sit down with the bride and groom and look at the kind of vision that they have for their wedding, and we see if it matches the budget that they've set. And most times it actually doesn't. So we then sit down, go back to the drawing board, and tell the bride and the groom what is possible and what isn't. So someone asked how I started doing wedding planning, and you know, growing up I just used to be so highly interested in weddings, and I'd attend weddings at church, but what I'd do is I'd really go like so early and like help with people setting up, you know, and just kind of learn how. So as I was growing up into my teenage years, etc., I really was so interested in like weddings entirely. I then created a wedding planning page called Kevin Wedding Planner, where I just kind of post ideas for brides to do like inspiration boards and kind of. So to cut a long story short, so I got my first wedding booking on my Facebook page, and from that wedding I got a lot more referrals, and you know, from then I just started getting, you know, business in wedding planning. Okay guys, I'm now home. I will answer a few more questions before I sleep, and then I'll probably answer some more questions tomorrow morning. Okay, so someone said, is it necessary for you to get qualifications for you to be a wedding planner? When I started off, I had like 0 qualifications. I just worked on creativity. And I'll say this, I mean, creativity and passion contribute a lot to, you know, an overall package of being a wedding planner. But if you've got some form of education that you can take towards being a better wedding planner, then I would advise anyone to do that. I have done a few programs with the South Africa School of Weddings, and I know from all the qualifications that I've acquired, I've obviously become a better planner. There are a lot of things that cannot be covered alone by just passion and creativity. There's the business development side of things. And then the important aspects like how to bill a client, how to charge for services, and all that stuff. It's really
Morning everyone. I totally fell asleep yesterday. I was super exhausted, but now I'm up and I'm preparing to go and tear down the wedding. So for tear down, we also have a breakdown schedule. We've got the florist that will go in first, remove all the flowers, and then the decorator will remove the linen. The hotel staff already removed like crockery, cutlery, and all the glassware. So it's just the decor and just a few of the things. I'm going to be signing out soon. And if you're out there and you have a wedding and you need some help, I'll put our handles on here and our website, etc. And for those that don't know, I work for a company called VIP Hosting. It's an events company and we cater for all events, and I run the wedding department. So if you want to know how we can help you with your wedding, you can write to us. You can find our email and all our information on our website, which is below. And if you're interested to know what happens behind the scenes, wedding planning, etc., you can follow me on Snapchat because I post a lot of that kind of stuff.
I want to thank Kevin so much. You know, Kevin is from VIP Hosting, and they have been the best wedding planners anyone could ever need. From the minute we arrived in Zimbabwe, Kevin has been putting everything into place so that we wouldn't be stressed out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to VIP Hosting.
We forgot how to tie a bow tie. And Kevin was the first person we called, and Kevin was there in 5 minutes in Adoshika to try and help us.
Thank you, Kevin. You know what, Kevin? You make me want to pay more. You know what I'm saying? If I had the money, I would pay.
Dear brother Kevin and Chido, thank you so much, guys. We know you've been through a lot, but thank you. It's been a successful day.
And for those of you who are getting married next year, 2017, and in 2018, I'm doing free consultations this month in January. So consultation will basically go through what your expectations should be of, you know, the wedding planning process and how we may be able to assist you. You can send me a DM on my Snapchat, on my Instagram, and then we can schedule an appointment for Skype, FaceTime, or Viber video calling. So remember, wedding planning consultations are absolutely free during the month of January. So you can hit me up and let's talk weddings. Thank you to Rudorwedu for affording us an opportunity to share all our wedding services. It's been great. So guys, remember to follow Rudorwedu on Instagram. There are a lot of posts there about weddings and other services. Don't miss out.